Okay, I'm going to show you my favorite signal mode to use for trading stocks. I like to use trend. So I'm going to go to Tesla. And again, remember the take profit and stop loss, because this is a regular stock, that's going to be way too small of a take profit and stop loss. But then you want to increase it. I like to do something like 0.50. So what that means is it's going to be 0.5% from each take profit. Give it a little space. So I use the trend mode and I don't change any of the settings. Essentially, I take a trade the same way I normally would. Okay, here's an example. Price made a swing low, broke over our linear regression line. We also bounced off of a demand zone, and this was a large volume block as well. Our oscillator got some bullish momentum, and then it turned green. Now, that would have been a good scalp for me. In and out, especially I think this was maybe on a Friday, so a 0-day to expiration contract, that would have been a great scalp. Okay. Now here, this is when price action was very choppy. I don't like to trade during choppiness. Now the algo will warn you. It'll tell you in the conditions if price action is trading sideways. If price action is trading sideways, then expect choppiness and choppy signals as well, because what happens is if it's trading at a key level, that means it's meeting multiple conditions for both a short and long trade, just because everything is so close and price action is consolidating. So keep that in mind when trading. When it says sideways, trade cautiously or don't trade at all. You can also use this to swing trade. Again, I mentioned that I like to trade it. Again, I like to take swing trades off of the 4-hour chart. And just like any other trade, I'm looking for the exact same setup. Again, if it says that price action is trading sideways, then I don't want to trade it. So these are some examples of Tesla consolidating. It consolidated right here for a few days. It looks like it's consolidating now. Consolidated here, consolidated here. So you can see when price action is choppy, like this is terrible. We don't want to trade when price action looks like that. We want to trade with the momentum, okay? Now let's examine this signal right here. We just got a short signal. So this was Friday, and this is why I would potentially take this trade. So we got a short signal here. We made a swing low. Price action is below our linear regression line. We see that we have a lot of volume right here. So that means there's a lot of buyers sitting at this demand zone. So I can see this as being a magnet level. Price coming down here. Also, our oscillator on the 4-hour chart, this is bearish momentum here. And our oscillator is fading and starting to turn dark green. Okay, so the brighter the color, the more momentum. The darker the color, the less momentum. Okay, and if I also look here at my market dashboard, we see that the bears are in the lead. Okay, so that means more selling volume. And price action is sideways, so it's consolidating. All right, so the next video, we're going to be talking about the scalping strategy.